Hello everyone and welcome. Today we have the following interesting equation. 81 divided by 9 divided by 6 divided by 3. Before diving into solving the equation, take a look and take a guess of the answer A, B, C, D or D, and please write your answer in the comment below. Okay, let's start. So to solve this equation, first of all, we can notice that we have the divisions. So basically what we know from order of operation PEMDAS, that when we have only division, we do it all from left to right. What we get is 8 divided by 9, it's 9. Then divided by 6 and divided by 3. Now we have 9 divided by 6 can be written as 9 over 6 and divided by 3. So when we have a fraction divided by a number, the easiest way to calculate is to remember the key CF rule, which means K stands for keep the first, C stands for change the sign, and F means flip the second. So we keeping the first, we have 9 over 6, changing the sign to multiplication, and we flip the second, which is 1 over 3. Okay, now it's very easy and pretty straightforward. We cancel the 3 and we get 3 over 6 and we get 1 over 2. So for those guys who answered 1 over 2, congratulations, because this is the correct answer. Guys, please hit the like button and subscribe if you like this video, and thank you very much for watching. Ciao, ciao.